Okay na. Give me your feet. Oh, put your shoes. Today, what is your, what today? Today is for
Christmas.
Wow, Christmas party, Sisi? Wow,
No, for everyone.
Ah, for everyone.
Not just me.
Ah, okay. Thursday, December, what now? December 19, December 18. Ah, December 19, it's Christmas.
In the home.
In the school party. School all night. Shoes ni Sisi. Okay, yun na, dali, sit down. Dali na, sit down, and they brush your hair. Dali na, uy. Sit down, her, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Dali na, sit down. Very nice yung hair ni, dress ni Sisi. Very nice. Okay, it's very nice. Now we have a salon. It's Celine Salon.
Use this.
Just a minute when I finish this one. Kasi very hard din. Now your hair is, you see, because it's curly. You make curly your hair, that's why. We cannot fix good quickly.
Greg, don't make my hair because I'll make it again.
Yeah, okay, Adi, it's okay. Yan na. Make it again, okay, it's okay. I just make brush para hindi scramble pa social. Scramble the hair of Celine. Scramble. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas party for Sisi. Need to fix. Curly man yung hair mo, but it's not too much na. Kasi nga, you sleep na. What time now? Time is, okay, it's 6:45 na. 6:45 p.m. Curly man yung hair mo, curly. It's her headband for Christmas. You'll do it. You'll do it good. You'll do it good. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, I make the brush. This one is brush for Elsa. Just down. I make brush the Elsa. Make it good kasi. Make up. Up like this one, ayan, Okay, nice. Yela, go to the kitchen and we take breakfast. Yela, it's okay.
I don't want.
What?
I don't want.
What you don't want?
I don't want to eat.
You don't want to eat breakfast? Oh, milk na lang. Milk lang naman. I prepare for you milk. Milk, you must drink milk para makuwaw yung stomach mo, okay? Yela, go. Okay, Yela. Bye-bye. Thank you again for shouting, for watching.